Hi, George from Digital High Road. Today I want to answer the question, and I'm going to show you the steps of what it takes on how to answer the question of how to create a YouTube account without a Gmail address. And while you're at it, if you get some value from this video, please give us a large thumbs up, like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well. And while you're at it, reach over there and tap the bell icon so you get notified every time I publish a new video to our channel. So let's move into the easy steps of how to create a YouTube account without a Gmail address. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is you're going to go to youtube.com and you're going to get a page that looks like this. This is what it looks like to me right now. Today. Now what you want to do is create an account. So I checked things out, and what I had to do was go here. I'm going to act like I'm signing in. Now I don't want to sign in because I want to create an account. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to say to manage my business. And then we're going to put in this information here. Okay, so I filled in the name, the address. This is not. Okay, so I filled in my name, the address. And this is not a Gmail address. And a password, new password. I don't want it to show. So I'm going to go next. Now, they've done is they've sent a support verification code to my address. So we're going to go check for that right now. So I've been sent the verification code number. So we're going to put that in here. And we're going to verify it. And then it wants a phone number. Now, I'm going to put in the number. We'll pause that for a second. So they sent me a text message with a verification code. I'll verify that. And then they want your birthday. So they want your birth date, and we'll keep going. Now I'm going to check more options on this. I'm going to add my number for account. Just going to add it for security only. And then I've got the privacy policy. I want to read that. And then check options here. It's all right to say that. So check out what you want. And then just agree. And then you'll be moved on. So that's it. That's what we have to do. So I don't want my business added to Google at the moment, but I'm going to check over here. And it gives me a name. It says to manage my Google account. Now what that's going to do is give me a Google account so I can do all kinds of things that I would normally do with a Gmail account. I can set up now with this account. And therefore I can set up and create a channel. And that's what I want to do. So that's what we would want to do. Okay, so that was it. That's how you set up a YouTube account using another email address, not a Gmail address. I hope you got something from the video. If you did, give us a large thumbs up, like it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and while you're at it, hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I publish another video to our channel. And don't forget, the link down in the description has great free training. You can get started today, get access today for the free training down in the description. And thank you for watching today's video. So long.